How to get the Witch Hat token in your Monopoly Go. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can get your Witch Hat token in your Monopoly. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Monopoly application. Now once you are in here you have to click on the top right corner option of your achievements. Now what you have to do is here you have to make sure that your net worth is upgrade with time to time, and after that you just have to go back and open up your album that is in the bottom right corner, and from here you have to complete these epic myths albums to win some task or the albums. And once you complete all of these albums, you have to simply click on it and you get some tokens, and from that tokens you can also get the Witch Hat token in your Monopoly. So you should have to complete this album first, and after that you are able to get your Witch Hat token in your Monopoly. So you can select anyone from these and you have to complete all of the album. So that's how you can get the Witch Hat token in your Monopoly Go, by just completing the album in your Monopoly. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.